It's another day in America, so you know what that means. Another mass shooting. This time in Michigan. But I must say about this particular mass shooting, it's very different from the more recent popular mass shootings. You know, you got the Buffalo shooter, you got the Uvalde school shooting, and you got the Highland Park shooter. The difference between this one and those is this was, to me, in my opinion, the most preventable. Before we get into it, yo, what's up with y'all? What's up with y'all? Welcome back to Moxy Approved. Please do me a favor, hit that like button. Make sure you share this video, get the message out, and make sure you got your notification bell turned all the way up to all. If this is your first time here on my page, please do me one small favor and apply pressure to that subscribe button. Apply pressure to that subscribe button. But what we talking about? Tirany Savage, her son, and her mother were found dead in their house, allegedly killed by her husband, Bo Eugene. But this situation happened only a couple weeks as she tried to file for an order of protection. Now, in this order of protection, Tirany made some remarks to the judge. Let's look at what she said to the judge. I asked him to be civil for a divorce and asked him to leave house, and he refuses. I left and have been getting texts accusing me of being with other people, and he has now been texting my friends threatening them because he thinks they told me to leave him. He is slamming things around the house, calling me names, telling me he won't leave and he wants money. He has mental issues. He stopped taking his meds and recently purchased a firearm that is concerning to me. He keeps saying he is going to blow his brains out, and I do not want my safety or my son's safety in jeopardy. Now, the judge took those comments, and this is how he replied to her. The judge denied the order June 27th, saying there was insufficient evidence of immediate or irreparable injury. So after that, the woman and her family were found dead on Sunday. Now, y'all know I'm one of those people that have always said that, you know, you shouldn't believe all women. You shouldn't believe all anybody. But the truth of the matter is not all of them lie, all right? So after she was denied her protection of order, the action took place just a couple weeks after that when Bo Eugene allegedly went into the house. He took out Tirany, he took out her son, and he took out her mother. And Bo proceeded to finish the job by taking out himself. Money gone. Money gone. Now, the part that I wanted to get to that's interesting is Bo did this with a legal weapon. But that's crazy to me that he did this with a legal weapon because Bo is a registered sex offender. Right. I feel like that's not even a loophole right there. I don't know. Felons can't get guns, and I don't see how a sex offender was allowed to purchase a legal weapon. Now, the Democrats in the state of Michigan have been trying to pass a law for red flags when somebody is going through domestic disputes, because officials said that they've had calls at that household concerning the two, Bo Eugene and Tirany Savage, that they had calls there where they had to report there several times. I think it was sad that this woman and her family was taken out by this guy that had mental issues. And we're starting to see this happen too much in this country. This one was highly preventable. I mean, come on, man. The man was a sex offender. I just think that we're living in a culture where it's better to have one legally. I don't want to promote having it illegally, but it's better to have one than not. Because at this point, regardless of what laws they pass, you already have a lot of people out there who got AR rifles, semi-automatics, and stuff like that. So it's better just to be able to legally get one yourself. Now, I do believe that the government is not really handling this gun control situation correctly, because I do believe they're using it as a form of population control. I'll be real with you, though. The population control that I think is going to be used for, we haven't gotten to yet. I think a major event is going to happen in America these next few years, where looking back, if you're still alive after it, you're going to realize why the government really didn't do much in situations like this. Now, am I saying that they should go out and take people's guns? No, not at all. I'm saying in certain situations where a person should not be allowed to have a gun. Mental health is one of them. And another one is, come on, man, you a sex offender, all right? That's an easy one. But I don't think that the government is going to take, it seems like these are the people that they want to have the guns, if you ask me. Real weird the way they've been handling this. This has been happening pretty much on a consistent basis all the way since the 90s Columbine. So it's obvious they don't really want to do too much by it. But hey, over here at Moxy Approved, long as this stuff happens, we're gonna continue to cover it. Well, anyways, y'all know how we like to end our videos over here at Moxy Approved, right? With that water. I see y'all here next time on Moxy Approved.